Figured to give you guys a quick update. As you can see, we sold the tractor, the attachment that was with it, the spring tooth, the Jeep's gone as well. Then we also sold the riding mower, the Troy that was over here, and then we also sold the border discs that were right here. And then originally I already showed you guys we sold the other plow things that were right here. The other two riding mowers are in the garage that we've got running. We haven't posted those yet. Then I also sold one of the chainsaws. So we're actually right now we're here waiting for my dad to get here with my trailer, and we are gonna go pick up a John Deere that needs a new motor, which we already have a motor for it, and then a tractor, a Massey Ferguson. The guy that we actually bought the 3 riding mowers and all those small engine stuff, the chainsaws and stuff like that, it's the same guy. We're gonna actually go pick up his tractor, and he's got a few implements with it, so you'll see that. Well, if we got, if we can get this back up on there.
Deck.
I don't think it's gonna, that deck's pretty.
It's gonna be, not gonna be bad right there.
Got another one of those. This is actually a Massey Ferguson 65 diesel. This is actually a pretty good tractor. It's about, I think, 50 horsepower. This one will sell pretty good. And I'll show you the other implements it came with. It came with this blade. And then it came with this bar. You can attach the plows to them. It came with this little think it's like a side plow or something, I'm not sure. Then it came with a scraper. A pretty big one. Then it came with another blade. This is like a, I don't know, offset one. Then it came with one of these, another 3-point attachments that lift stuff, which comes in handy. This one we're probably gonna sell because I think we've already decided to keep the other one that we got. That came with another border disc and another one over there. And then came with this. This is just missing the bar for it, but it already has a 3-point hookup. It just needs the bar. And this big disc over here. So we picked up this John Deere yesterday. What we know about it is we got it from the original owner. He said the motor is locked up on it, and it also came with this tiller, which was hardly used. It actually replaces the deck on here, and it comes out the back, and then it turns into a garden tractor tiller. It's a 48-inch deck. I think we already have a motor for it, so we're just gonna put a different motor on it that runs, and then try to sell it. He said he paid about $7,000 when he bought it, so it's gonna be worth a decent amount.